let's respect others who are having a girlfriend. For me, just like I said before, I don't want to start a fight because I watched the news about what's really happened is the the grade 10 student who is protecting his girlfriend and some of other students who were starting up their own girlfriend. For me, let's us make friends. We should not make enemies like this, stabbing or bullying, whatsoever. If people there have a boyfriend or girlfriend, let's respect. All right. I do not want to pick a fight. I don't want too much rivalry. Me, the time I want to share a story during the Valentine's Day in 2015. Oh, that time, me and Teacher Marville, we are friends. We're not saying about girlfriend or boyfriend. No, nobody to say girlfriend and boyfriend. Actually, we say it friends. Why friends? Friends only. Oh, 2015 in March, I met that her boyfriend of Teacher Marville named John Archu Matthew Bernal. Oh, I've been good friends at him. For me, whenever I say boyfriend or girlfriend, let us be friends anyway instead of boyfriend and girlfriend. Oh, like that. I told to Shania Kiana, you should never start a boyfriend yet because you are teenager. Oh, as you are a teenager, you're not up to 20s. Oh, before your 20s, you can allow to have a boyfriend too. And that time I just want to tell a story anyway. Teacher May and Teacher Marisa, they told me you have a girlfriend with Rosalind Makadesh. But it's a rumor. That what I say to Rosalind Makadesh, she is my friend. She is not my girlfriend or GF yet. I said she is my friend. Oh, friend only. Like I was told by Mommy Ellen Olea, what she said to me in Batangas, um, meron ka na bang girlfriend? Mommy Ellen Olea answer all the questions and she asked me. And I said, no, I don't have a girlfriend because I am single. I have I have no GF yet, single only. It's okay to be single. Nobody to have a boyfriend or girlfriend yet, This is the time what we realize. Yvette Crystal Dulce Horado, she has a relationship. For me, I asked Yvette, you should learn about friends. Do not say about boyfriend. It's okay to be single. Like me, I'm single too. I don't have uh what's it I mentioned? I don't have a girlfriend yet. Oh, it's right thing to be single. Oh, it is right thing. Look at Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Oh, he is single because I know he's a cerebral palsy. His brother Robin is also single. He's working as aerobics in Zumba. While the sister of Kuya Rodelio Daguman is also a married to American who's a foreigner. She is married. Oh, while she is married, she is married. Oh, she doesn't have a relationship yet. Oh, there's a relationship? Relationship, let's stop this saying about boyfriend or girlfriend. Let us be single. That's always to do. We have to be single. We have to say, oh, when we are single anyway, I'm not picking a fight. It's okay to be single. Oh, I advise to Shania Kiana. Oh, when Jerick Silva says to me, do not chat to anybody who are strangers. Like, for example, love scam or something. I don't want to get you in harm. It's okay to be single. Yeah, but not everyone to be single. It's okay to be single, just like me. I'm single too. Oh, look at Joshua Arroyo. Oh, why he has a girlfriend? Emerald Joy. Because Joshua Arroyo, he started his girlfriend. Oh, because he was in college. While Eris Clemente, he doesn't have a girlfriend yet. Oh, me, I don't have a girlfriend. Oh, Shania Kiana asked me during in Valentine's Day in CDIFI. She asked me, did you have a dance partner in CDIFI in 2017 about dance partner or romantic sweet dance when you were there? Actually, that time I want to tell the story anyway for Valentine's Day. Romantic dance only, romantic dance friendship. Oh, none is to say boyfriend or girlfriend. We will say uh, friendship. We're all friends. Friends means friendship. Oh, that time. Just like what I said before, for example, when I was with the time of Teacher May, I remember about what is it in Valentine's party in CDIFI? Masquerade party, correct. I have the picture of that from Alexis Percala. And Teacher May says at the time, piliin mo yung mga dance partner, yung mga practicum teachers. At least, I never insist, but I choose to insist myself to dance with Teacher Pat. Oh, she's my friend. She's a practicum teacher. She is my good friend. Oh, we'd always make a dance, romantic dance. Oh, you remember Kroll Ramirez? Oh, he has a romantic dance with Teacher Chin Busmante. Because I know they're friends. Even Nikki Miranda has a romantic dance with with Teacher Bea. They are friends too with Teacher Bea. Oh, like me, I've been romantic dance with Teacher Pat. We are good friends. Oh, nobody say girlfriend yet. Like what we say before in Valentine's, friendship. Oh, during the time of birthday of Nanay Ningning, I say Happy Valentine's Day to her. Oh, me and Nanay Ningning, we are friends. Oh, that is calling the internal love. What we have to say about the love is to everyone. In the Quran, in Islam, in Shia, I know I was told by Sophia Abad Sultan, who was a Sufism, the friend of J. Rick Silva, had said to me, in Valentine's, it's always to say love. Oh, love your friends. Not even just that, Kuya Bear says, you have to love our friends. Oh, we have to be love. Like me, when I make when David Gill was not there in Facebook, and I'm the one who's replaced by David Gill, and I am the showing how to love to everybody. We have to love everyone. And this is the lesson to Paulo Cruzada. Do not judge Teacher May and Teacher Marisa. You show them how to love your former teachers. Oh, like I said, we say love. Oh, me, when I say I gave a chocolates, when I was there in CDIFI, I gave chocolate to Teacher May. Oh, during Valentine's Day in 2017, that was February 3rd, That was February 12, I gave chocolate. Oh, when I gave chocolate, oh, she say thank you. Oh, that's always to be pleasure to say thank you. You gave anything you like in chocolate in Valentine's Day. Oh, we have to show love to everybody. I do not say making enemies in one to side to others. So, we have to say love. For Paulo Cruzada, if you don't want to love yourself, you should love your family too. Do not be a bully or sexual harassment. Oh, remember, like me and Wawel, we are friends. Oh, that I asked by my mom, crush mo ba si Wawel Romero? I declined. I said no. Wawel and I, we're friends. Because you know why Wawel and I were friends? We were friends on the time last 2018 in Facebook. Oh, Wawel had showed the emoji post when I was in Hong Kong. She showed love. Oh, I know Wawel is always like liking my post on Facebook. Oh, when I was in Hong Kong. Oh, she always liked my post with the love. Oh, and I said I did not comment to Wawel. Oh, I just say thank you for liking the post when I was in Hong Kong. I was thanks to Wawel Romero for liking the post while I was in Hong Kong in 2018. Oh, we have to show love. When I use the playbook of when I say it from Kuya Bear. Oh, I'm urging to the Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos. The focus anyway is to love your family. Even for Sangkay Janjan, Nino Bersaga, Romeo TV Vlog, even Jean Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, Jima Casadil, including Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan or Ate Dina Guillermo, Ate Mel Canete. I just say to all of you, refrain about trolling against the Duterte supporters. Give them a love, not really a hate. When you say hate, there is no path of hate. There is love to everybody.